What's going on, guys? Spencer here from Adventure Tunity Family with another RV how-to brought to you by Holiday Rambler. In this video, I'm going to be talking about tire pressure monitoring systems, also known as a TPMS. These are a super important piece of equipment for anybody that owns an RV of any sort. Many newer coaches and cars come with a TPMS already installed from the factory, but if you have an older coach or a model that just didn't come with one, getting an aftermarket TPMS is a fantastic idea. It gives you real-time information on your tire pressure and your tire temperature so that you can potentially avoid a catastrophic tire failure as you're driving down the road. There are a lot of different TPMS brands and models out on the market. The important part is that you have one and that you use it. The one that I use is a Tire Minder i10, and that's the one that I'm going to be showing you today. Regardless of the model you get, the setup procedure is pretty similar. I'm going to run you through how it works on the i10, but it shouldn't be too different from the model that you choose to get. The i10 comes with 10 wheel sensors, and the first thing to do when you pull them out of the box is to remove the cap on the sensor and place the included coin cell battery in. You want to make sure that the positive side is facing up. Replace the cap good and tight and we're ready to install them. After fully charging the control unit, turn it on using the center button. The default mode is monitoring mode, so you want to put it into learning mode in order to install the sensors. To put it into learning mode, you hold the left and right buttons down simultaneously until the L pops up in the middle of the screen. Use the left or right arrow buttons on top of the display unit to select the first tire that you'd like to install a sensor on. The tire that you've selected will be indicated by the flashing dashes. Remove the valve stem cap and screw on one of your tire sensors. The control unit will immediately pick up the signal from the sensor and display the tire pressure on the screen. Next, you'll repeat this super simple process all around your coach for each tire. Use the left and right arrows to select which tire you'd like to install the sensor on. Screw the sensor onto the valve stem and wait for the tire pressure to show up on the monitor. It only takes a few minutes, and now I've installed all the sensors on my coach. In my case, it was 6, 2 on the front axle and 4 on the rear dually axle. One of the great parts about this system is that you can also use it to monitor the 4 tires on your towed vehicle. While still in learning mode, use the left or right arrow to select through until the screen displays rear. You'll see the flashing dashes indicating which tire is selected, and then repeat the process that you did on the coach for all 4 tires on your towed vehicle. Once you've got all 4 sensors installed on your towed vehicle, press and hold the left and right buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. This will take you back to monitoring mode. The last step is to set up your baseline tire pressure. This is the pressure that you set your tires to while they're cold before starting a trip. The Michelin tires on my coach have a max cold rating of 110 psi, but I usually set them at 100. The TPMS uses this setting as a baseline for the tire pressure alarm. If the pressure gets too high or too low while you're driving, the TPS will let you know. So before you get on the road, you always want to make sure that your tires are set to your baseline tire pressure. I set the coach tires to 100 psi and I set the towed vehicle tires to 35. Obviously, I need to add a little bit of air to the towed vehicle. Once you have your baseline tire pressure set for your coach and your towed vehicle, press the center button for 2 or 3 seconds and it will return to monitoring mode. Then all you have to do is mount your display unit where you can see it from the driver's seat and you're ready to go. And there you have it. I hope this video showed you exactly how easy it is to install a TPMS and why you need to have one on board in your coach. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out some of the other how-to videos we have on the Holiday Rambler YouTube channel. And until next time, we wish you safe travels.